Hi, I'm Dr. Sudha, leading health and travel for Digit General Insurance Company. Today, let's discuss about some common questions you may have about coronavirus. These things do come up every time for every medical condition or every new kind of thing which is coming up. So I think we should not really go by the WhatsApp, and someone was telling me WhatsApp University. So we should stop, follow. You can have some fun, you can see, view it, and then just forget it. You really no need to follow it. The WhatsApp University is not for medical guidance, at least. So be cautious and be wise what you need to really follow the basic instructions, avoid travel. There are certain things which you can follow, can help you better than just following those forward messages. Not really. So our immune system will develop some kind of resistance towards the virus once we are being affected. But yes, it is very important for us to maintain some immunity, especially these seasons wherein there is a seasonal change, people do catch cold, etc. And who are more prone to have infections, more prone to have allergy, especially a lot of people you see there is, in Bangalore especially, there are a lot of people who have pollen allergy. Every season change they have cold, rhinitis, etc. So please do take care. So it is not every time coronavirus, but it will bother you some way or the other. And viruses are also, challenging us every time, coming up with new variant. Yeah, so we also have to be ready for it. Yeah, that's right. So we are hoping that virus will not be able to sustain in higher temperatures, so that it may not spread as it is spreading right now. So as the temperature increases, especially in India, coming April and May, we are hopeful that India will not be having more cases. We are hopeful about that. Recovery rate is very good, unless and until the person is elderly with any other underlying medical conditions. The recovery is absolutely fine. And if you see some of the statistics which is coming from China and WHO as well, so there are more than 70% of the people who were infected are been recovering. Yes, we should actually wait till the person has been screened properly. So there is an incubation period of 2 weeks, which means that the person can be asymptomatic for at least 2 weeks kind of stuff. The symptoms doesn't come, but the person is having the virus positive in his own body, and he may spread unknowingly. The person may spread it unknowingly. So it is better the person has been screened properly and then tested negative. Then there is no boundaries to meet your friend. So this arrangement is to tackle the fear or the panic situation which has been created. It is better to be isolated than spread and run over to the hospitals and just creating more panic. And it's not about just the one person, and taking care of yourself and also about the society. And it's nothing wrong if we sit from home. It's working from home is also a kind of privilege for most of the companies. So think of people who are traveling for 10-15 kilometers in a public transport just to attend your office work. So if the person has been given work from home, why not? Yeah, so you don't need to really panic. Of course, it is the time to take care as well as follow some basic instructions and keep yourself safe. Doesn't mean that you need to really go panic and you don't need to really worry about stop all your plans, but be safe, follow certain instructions, and be yourself.